peel the onions. After that, it was washed, and then cut the onions and chilies. Put all the ingredients in the container. Fill the spring rolls with ingredients and fold. Heat oil and fry until brown.